can make this for your kids. Just 2 minutes in the microwave to be done. Hello guys, I'm going to be teaching how to prepare popcorn. Look at the pack here. I have the carton here. It's popcorn. I'll be teaching you how to prepare it. Just to not take you 2 minutes to prepare on your microwave with this. This is the pack. I just got it from the supermarket right now. So this is how to go about it. How to go about it. I said, give me a knife, please. Got it. You have to remove this plastic. What you do is to insert it on the microwave like this. Then you see the result. Just 2 minutes. 2 minutes you'll see. This is the microwave. Put it on the microwave. Let's close it. Just take a look at it. 2 minutes on the microwave.
You can
hear the sound. Look at it. Mom, look at it. Look at the popcorn. That's it. Look, watch inside. Take a look at it. Look at the popcorn. Wow. This is the popcorn. Look at it. Look at it. You can make this for your kids. Just 2 minutes in the microwave to be done. This is so